I mean, you're Matushka. You're a bum.
I said you were booty. Yeah.
They gonna call me that.
Oh.
They gonna call me butt. Like when you're butt, so you can't do nothing. Like that kind of butt. Like you butt.
Oh, the spitting kind.
The one that you use every day.
What?
But I got a big,
Butt.
no, big
Matushka.
bicycle.
What?
A bicycle is a one. It's like a bike, but I only got one here.
You have a tricycle?
And then this
Wait,
is
no,
my
a
slime. It's
a
cute.
A unicycle. Yeah, you have a unicycle.
Zaria, come over here. You can make the YouTube
But
with
that
me.
thing is
Can you help me, Neva and Shada?
Yeah. No, that's the Kira's. Here's your stuff.
Wait, who needed Zakira? You heard it?
You need help?
And they were the first one to make it.
Okay.
They were the first one to make it, so.
I'm coming over there, guys. I'll be back in
Can I
5
go get
seconds.
the bees? Can I go?
Don't actually tell me what to do because I don't want your hands to get messy.
Just keep doing it.
Zaria? Do you want one? Can I get the bees?
They're in my purple rainbow. Get them after dinner though.
You just have to keep doing. You just have to keep welcoming.
Yours
Like
are
that, like I did.
pretty. Yours are like minty.
You need help? You want me to go get some take like that off?
No.
Wait, it's the big.
Kira wants to make crunchies on them. Kira's making crunchy.
Her making fishbowl.
Why do I keep on putting my hands back in?
Fishbowl and crunch slime are the same thing.
No. Yours has beads. So yours, like, when you press on it, it's like,
Sorry. Oh no.
it looks like a crackling stuff like
Sorry, I'll tell you
And
over
fishbowl
here.
do too, but
it's
Hey
like
guys,
tiny.
I'm back. Ew, look what this looks like.
that don't.
Who? No, it looks like a Batushka.
Oh.
This is the smaller.
Okay, y'all can start putting the slime in the bag so I can clean the table off.
Okay.
Zaria not done yet.
I'm getting mine off of me. I'm gonna let mine sit overnight because
Put it in the bag or let it sit out.
I'm gonna let it sit out because
Probably
it,
dry out a little bit more.
yeah, because it's like probably because we added so much paint, like it's probably like has a little bit of water in it.
Me and Zara, but you added too much paint to me and Zara's.
Because you guys wanted a certain color.
One is Aria's and y'all or something.
Yeah.
You gotta do overnight.
This has been 33 minutes and I'm about to do Minecraft, so if you
I'm
want to
gonna
follow
start
me, come
watching
follow
my
me.
videos.
Sorry, did you know we can play Minecraft? Because you have the Wi-Fi?
Look,
Let's play it.
Okay.
it like twisty.
Okay, put yours in the bag then, because I'm going to clean this table
I'm
off.
gonna put mine with my.
Do I have to close it so it won't dry?
It won't dry out, I don't think. It don't dry out, do it, Zori?
Can I wash my
It dries
hands
like
up
it
there?
can dry.
Yeah, upstairs. and
It can
things.
dry out, but like for mine, I'm just gonna let it sit overnight. I'm not gonna let it like.
Yeah, I think you should close yours up.
Mimi, can you help me?
I can't tell you to close it up.
Okay,
Close it up the best you
fine.
can. I need you to move your phone. Come on now, quit being a baby.
I don't want to grow up.
Okay, well, you need to grow up. You're almost a teenager. You can close the bag.
And then when you're 16, you can drive me places. Well, Mimi doesn't feel like driving. And
No, I'm not
Okay,
driving
sorry.
nowhere.
Oh,
I'm
this can't
just
sit
playing.
like that.
Yeah.
You need to use this bowl. Wait a minute, here. Well, that's going to be a mess. Just sit, wait a minute. Let me pour this out of you.
Where's my book?
Well, mine gonna be crunchy time.
you landing there. So you're gonna like leave a piece out that isn't crunchy and then one piece of it crunchy.
Look at the eagle coming up.
You're gonna break your own and like put one.
Oh, this is on a level.
Okay, Kira. Okay, watch it. Here, just sit this bowl down here.
And then I have to go wash my hands off.
I don't have to. Thank you, Mimi. Next time, can we make birthday cake
Do what birthday cake? What do you mean?
for my birthday?
Okay,
we
move your phone,
decorate-
Jade. Move your phone. We're gonna roll the tablecloth up.
Can I go in the living room?
Yeah.
Whoa. Kind of so it's no, it's dark. It's too dark.
What do you want?
I'm sitting on the floor. Moving this
Hello?
over here.
Yeah, I'm still cooking wings.
Hey guys,
Still
I'm
cooking
back.
something.
So I'll just do a
No, I'm
video
trying to cook
tomorrow.
and do this stuff.
And I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, they-
Bye.